exercise 228, page 581, question 5. Again, I'm not going to run through this question because it's in the textbook, and there you'll have the answer there so you can try it for yourself. I'm going to run through one that's very similar here, but I will just get as far as a general solution. You'll then have to carry on and put in these conditions in the question in the textbook to get the particular solution. So if we look at this, what I have to do is to try and get the dy by dx on its own, and then get all terms involving x on one side and all terms involving y on the other side. Might be tempted to just get all the terms on the left involving x, because I'm going to shift the dx up there. But this is minus dy dx, so if my first step was to add differential to both sides, I'd make it positive. And then I'm going to shift my terms involving x over to the right hand side. So in this particular case, the first thing I'm going to do is add dy dx to both sides, plus 3 over e to the 2x equals x squared. And now I'm going to shift the 3 over e to the 2x over to the right hand side, minus 3 over e to the 2x. And now I have to remember that if I look at my table of standard integrals, I've got e to the ax here, but I haven't got 1 over e to the ax. So remember that the inverse is the negative power using the laws of indices. 1 over x to the a, for example, can be rewritten as x to the minus a. Remember, that's one of the laws of indices. So using that, I can say that dy by dx equals x squared minus 3 e to the minus 2x. Now it's in a state where I can integrate it. So integrating both sides, I get y equals the integral of x squared minus 3 e to the minus 2x with respect to x. Using my table of standard integrals, x squared down to 1 to the power divided by the new power, x cubed over 3. In the exponential case, I bring the minus 2 out and that goes underneath, and then the power stays the same. So this will be minus 3 over minus 2 e to the minus 2x. Let's see. Tidying up. That double negative makes it positive. So y equals x cubed over 3 plus 3 over 2 e to the minus 2x plus c. Could leave it like that. The fact that the e to the x in the original problem was underneath here, I might decide to put this e to the minus 2x, put the e to the 2x underneath with the 2, and so this actually becomes y equals x cubed over 3 plus 3 over 2 e to the 2x plus c. But that would be a matter of preference. And then if I had some initial conditions, if I knew a value for y for a given value of x, I could put those conditions in and work out what c was, which is what you're asked to do in the question in the textbook. So have a go. Any problems, email.